They say the best way to find yourself is to get lost in the right direction. For a long time, I've dreamed of a life defined not by notifications and concrete, but by the rhythm of the sun and the whisper of the trees. Today, that dream gets a foundation. It's quiet here, uncomfortably quiet at first, but in this silence, I finally hear the work that needs to be done. One stake, one string, and one cold night under the stars. This is where it begins. Nature doesn't give you a home. You have to earn it. Clearing the brush, digging the earth, it's honest, exhausting work. Every strike of the axe is a conversation with the land. There's a certain therapy in the weight of a shovel and the smell of wet concrete. We're setting the roots today, making sure that when the storms come, and they will, this little sanctuary stands firm. It's not just mud and stone, it's a promise of stability. The silhouette changes. Seeing the first timber rise is like watching a sketch come to life. No power tools, no shortcuts, just wood, sweat, and a lot of patience. The rain tries to slow us down, but it only reminds me why I'm building this roof. Every nail driven into these rafters is a step closer to independence. It's starting to look like a home now. A shell that holds the wind at bay and keeps the wild where it belongs, just outside the window. But a house is just a box until you bring it to life. In the city, we flip a switch and never think about where the light comes from. Out here, I have to catch it myself. Installing these solar panels feels like the final piece of the puzzle. Wiring the batteries, connecting the heart of the cabin. It's the bridge between the ancient There it is, the first light. It's warmer than any bulb I've ever seen. It's not just electricity, it's freedom. Tonight, the forest is dark, but inside, it's home.